hold on.
What?
You do a U-turn?
A U-turn?
Yeah, I think you left some of the clutch back there.
Fuck off, idiot. You're an idiot.
So, good morning and welcome back. We are officially doing the exhaust today. First mod starting on the car, and we're already 2 hours into the project and not one spanner has been swung yet. The key goals for today are to get the V-bands off the extractors, get the cats done, get the exhaust done, but we've got to get everything off first to be able to do that. So got to get the car up in the air, get these done and get everything off so we can kind of get an even base of where we're starting. So we're
Up to cutting.
gonna start cutting and get started, get the car up. Let's do it.
There you go, guys, just a small little update here. We've gone ahead and cut the V-bands off, as you can see. Cut the V-bands off, we've put some boogers on there, gone back to the original 4-bolt on the extractors. That's one, that's two, because apparently, if you didn't know, as both of us didn't, that no two V-bands are the same because they don't communicate with each other. So instead of trying to weld stainless onto mild steel, we went back to mild steel and went with that. We've got Ricky under the car here, as we'll see. We'll get down on the ground a little bit. He's under there undoing the O2 sensors, as you'll see in a...
Trying. Fucking tight.
They're nice and tight. So once he gets them undone, we'll be heading around into the engine bay to start cranking these bolts off these extractors. So stay tuned and we'll give you another update.
I'm wondering. So the original HSV rear section with the upgraded, so we went with the Black Ops twin 3-inch, opted for all the mufflers. My last car was a X-Force twin 3-inch with center hot dogs and no rear muffler, and it was too loud. So hopefully by doing that we'll keep it a bit more quiet and make it a bit more reasonable. I've heard pretty good things about the Black Ops system, so we'll work on getting that kind of done last, because we're going to be making our own cat section with the high flows that we've got. So at the moment we're just kind of doing what we can do, getting it done, and try and just beat the night time. Car's gonna need to go up.
Can you tilt it more? Yeah, here we go. Tilt.
We're hitting the steering.
Can you tilt back to you?
Yeah, not really. No, that's about as much as I've got.
Rotate the whole thing.
What way?
You towards the passenger side. It's not really doing what I want it to do. Yeah, rotate that way.
I'm fucking losing my little orange gasket.
I'm sort of.
We're fucking jammed between the.
Stuff on there. You got. Can you rotate it back to you a little?
I'm not pushing and lifting at the moment. I'm just holding.
Alright. 2 seconds. Alrighty. I didn't pay any attention to which way this gasket come off.
So it should have a straight edge bit, I
Can you
think.
lift the back of it up, please?
That's about enough, as much as I'm getting.
That's alright.
Can you at least tell me if we're close to where we need to be?
Pretty close. I just need to.
How about it?
Alright, well, we've got the first ones in. There was a pain in the bollocks. It was rough, but we're content now.
Should you not be doing these from the inside out?
I usually do this one. Don't crank them up too tight, work your way in. That one's not going to work for me, neither's... Alright, so now we will switch back over to the hand ratchet that has magically disappeared over here. And absolutely struggle because I might drag the bigger sockets that are underneath your big feet, which are the 10 mils. Not a sponsorship, but geez, these sockets are good.
Yeah, $38 for a whole set.
Oh, look at
it's not
that.
bad. For an impact deep set too.
And to be 100% honest with you, I have some faith. I reckon the old Tool Pro so not a bad effort. Oh, this back one's always like to play hardball. Right, they're fairly cranked. Oh, they call me Butterfingers at my job.
Alright, so one side
done, we'll talk them up to spec.
officially in.
And when I mean spec, I mean
Talk to an ugger and call it a day.
talk to what my fingers feel like they're tight. And just give it a...
And then passenger side to go. And then do the rear. And then vroom 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 noises.
Insert cam Dallas noises.
Until we have to take all of this off to go chop, 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 chop. Now it's just vroom, 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 vroom. Soon, chop, 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 chop.
Well, that sounds like a mechanic problem.
Yeah, it's not a me problem. My hands are too fat to fit in there. I'm just half wondering whether I just bother to start looking up the price of new clutches. Just to consider the fact that, like, if I'm already going to be there doing the cam and doing everything else, do I take the chance of, well, like labour wise, I might have to speak with Sam, because labour wise, if he's going to charge me the same amount of labour to pull the motor out and do it while it's out of the car and do a clutch at the same time, is that not more beneficial?
Oh, that's true.
Because if the motor's already coming out and to do the clutch, and if they're going to be doing...
Don't want to be that guy.
What?
Like, fuck, that's it.
Yeah, I know, right? I am still recording. Yeah, so if I might actually just look up, I might message Sam and I'll find out what he reckons clutch wise.
100%.
Yeah,
Mr. Pro of the go.
I'll shoot him a text. I'll bother him on a fucking Saturday. Yeah.
If we paint them black, you were the main culprit of destroying a beautiful HSV.
Yeah, well.
Alright, I'll go get this other one. You reckon that we're going to slide him through the top?
A survivor ain't a survivor no more, mate. That's for sure. She's well and truly been abused. 10, that goes where the 11 goes, right there. Whoa, hello, big dog. How you doing?
Oh, why couldn't the other side be this easy?
Golly, buy me dinner first, big dog.
I've lost my train of thought now. Hold on, don't get too excited.
No, you're alright, buy me dinner.
I don't work out which way the gasket goes first.
It went by the pin edge went on the outside, did it not?
Mm-hmm.
I'll lower that down for you.
Wow, this side was significantly easier.
Oh, look, I'm glad we did the shit side first.
Me too.
Like, all things considered.
Beautiful. Let it go, mate. You good to go, mate. She's on the bolts now.
I'll hold it while you do. Just do one up.
Beautiful. Oh, you've stolen another exhaust bolt off me.
I ain't stolen shit. I gave you the one that fell on the floor.
Did you?
Yeah.
Where'd it go?
I gave it to ya.
Did you?
Yeah.
Well, I don't have it.
Well, I'll find it.
What'd you do with it?
I don't know.
Well, four's enough, isn't it?
Yeah, who needs? It's just an exhaust leak. Don't worry about it.
Where'd it go?
I got to try and put this clutch line back on, and this fucking steering arm.
Oh, you know. Alright, we're in. Awesome.
Cool. Alright, let's try and get this steering rack back in.
While you do that, I'm going to quickly do these exhaust bolts up. What do you want to record me doing nothing yet?
No, that other GoPro should still be running.
It's off.
Yeah, but it should have a flashy red light.
It's green. What's green mean?
No idea, but it should be alright. Alright, so we are 4 hours into the job. Extractors are all in. They're looking good. So they're all in on both sides. They're all plugged in. Everything's ready to go. Now,
just want to go ahead and say that it's a lovely summer's day today.
Yeah, glad that it's a cold day, making our life great. So now we've got the hangers on the old hangers on. I didn't bother getting new ones. May as well use them. They're still good. The plan is now put these up, get these in and connected. I'll just have them loosely connected, and then we will work on getting the cat section done. So that's going to be the longest part that we're probably going to end up doing under LED lights in the dark, mate.
Yeah.
So
Alright.
should be right.
Make plenty of light.
We'll figure it out. But yeah, so that's done. Absolute shonker of a job.
We wouldn't change it though. It's pretty good fun.
Look, compared to the labour charge that a shop would probably cost to do it, I definitely feel like it wasn't that hard.
We are hoping to hopefully have a little bit more daytime and put the OTR on.
Would it be easier to have a hoist and do it with a hoist? Absolutely.
No way. That's what a mechanic's for.
Are we saving, $1,000 in labour by doing it ourselves?
And $100 an hour on a hoist charge.
Yeah. So, all right, we get the exhaust in. We'll worry about that, and then we'll do the cats. Quick wire changeover.
It's alright, mate. Back in the dickety day, that's all we had. Oh, I didn't even put it in. Too excited. Do you know this is a family heirloom, this welder?
It looks like it.
Alright, don't go dissing on me.
I'm not dissing on it.
On me family heirloom.
Alright, so as you can tell, it is currently 6:30 at night, and we are still hammering away. So we've got one trial cat done. Can zoom in a bit on that. So got one done. We've got one more still to go. I'm now going to get under and going to bolt that on. And unfortunately, this is sounding like it's going to be a tomorrow job to start it and find out that we've got a massive exhaust leak somewhere, and we're not going to be able to do it. But we're getting there. Still cheaper than. It's starting to get on the point where it would have just been easier to buy it, but we're there. We're getting there. We're doing it. At least we can say we've done it ourselves, and it's purpose built for what we need. Just looked right at it, dumbass.